Welcome to the SFQ Home Energy Storage System Installation Guide. Today, we'll show you how to set up the system in your home. Step 1. Begin by marking the installation wall. Take note of the distance between the screw holes on the inverter hanger. Ensure consistent vertical alignment and ground distance for the screw holes on the same straight line. Step 2. With your markings in place, use an electric hammer to drill holes in the wall. These will serve as anchor points for your installation. And then install plastic dowels into the drilled holes. Step 3. Securely fix the inverter hanger to the wall. When doing so, make sure to adjust the tool strength slightly lower than usual for optimal results. Step 4. Now, it's time to install the inverter on the fixed hanger. Keep in mind that the inverter can be relatively heavy, so it's best to have 2 people handling this part. Step 5. Connect the positive and negative contacts of the battery pack to the inverter. And then connect the communication port of the battery pack and the inverter. Step 6. Connect the positive and negative ports for PV input. Plug in the AC grid input port to complete the electrical connections. Step 7. After completing the battery connections, securely cover the battery box to protect and enclose the system. Step 8. Make sure the inverter port baffle is properly fixed in place to ensure system integrity. And now, the SFQ Home Energy Storage System is successfully installed. You can enjoy the benefits of sustainable energy storage in your home. Thank you for watching this installation guide. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content on sustainable energy solutions from us.